the field. So we're busy with this, right? No, you want to know what I go. We are busy. Field. You can see that side really come out. I had a dream. Like I was yes. Yeah, so we're busy with this today, and my daughter is on my back. Baby girl, Uma on my back. She's on my back, guys. You see, farming is fun, eh? Kitty farming, kitty funny farming, kitty funny farming, kitty fun. I want to trust my son and say that my son will most definitely be helping out. I think my back camera is not giving the tea. And it seems like the weather is changing and I need to hurry up with this. Get hurry up. I have to hurry up. Idana zembelanga we. Eh, nisa zepa seb. Mhm. Yo guys, we're doing this. I'm planting on my farm. Farm. You see? So I'm gonna be with my son. My daughter is on my back. Lily, say hi. Say hi. Say we are working on the farm tonight. We are working on the farm tonight. You know the weather is changing, so I have to do this today. If I don't, I don't know when the rain is gonna go away because it's been raining this month. It's been raining like crazy, and I had this like what do you call that? Or deja vu feeling where you like I dreamt 3 times being told that I should do this because this year there is rain. See. Kayla Valent, my son, guys. So I'm gonna be busy with that. You love me. Ooh, can I dance? I wonder where I can put my phone because I know my son. If I give him the task of holding my phone, bad things are gonna happen. Very bad things. Yani just like to chobelt. Just your tripod. Aya. Hey, hey, hey. Eh, dakaran ko to dami na po ini. Niko to dami. Chada, yani jia light. Yani jia light, dibe. Thank you. Thank you. So I want to plant all type of veggies as well because you know I love veggies. So the first veggie that I'm gonna plant, and then you're not looking down. Please see here. Let me show you. So I want to plant this. They're beans. I don't know in your country what you call them. Ooh. because the weather is changing so fast. I'm worried. Mm. So today I was at town. I was there to fix some documents, right? Some documents. I don't know, something happening. I want my sister to come back because I just know my sister is gonna hold this phone for me. The weather is changing so fast. It was just raining yesterday. What is my name? My name is Goodness. You call me Goodness, right? Goodness. Call me Goodness. And what is your name? Yours. I mean, you who is asking me, what is my name? What is your name? Because the weather is changing and I am just starting. You see? And I'm also gonna plant some watermelons. The soil here is very suitable for planting watermelons. So that's what I'm gonna do. Emmanuel, look at my son. What he's doing. Emmanuel, no, look. So we're doing it here. So that side I already did, and my what do you call them? My maize, my corn. What is it? Guys? What do you call it? I look handsome. I think that's a term that is used for guys. So I'm gonna put my phone on the tripod. I want to eat some mango, eh? So I'm thinking which one should I pick. The problem is not many of them are ripe. See? Not many of them are ripe. These are the mangoes. Early in the morning, my sister literally wakes up. Ne? She wakes. Oh, I think I saw one. There is one there. There is one, guys. You can hug me. I am a hugger of all my siblings, and I think I'm the only hugger in the family. I hug. If I miss you genuinely, I'm gonna hug you. I am going to freaking hug you. So let's put the phone. The phone has been put to. What is happening? I don't know what happened. Oh my god, guys. Mm. Never mind my crazies. Oh my god. So I'm trying to put the phone nicely somewhere near me, guys, because I don't want you guys not to see what I'm doing. I want you guys to actually see what I'm doing. Oh, I'm still trying to set up the tripod. That is what I'm busy with. Setting up the tripod. I wonder if you could. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so what the hell? This thing is full of it. It's full of it. Can you see me? Lily, say hello. Hello. So we are doing this, guys, because my son loves corn. I can hear me, but if you can hear me, then good news to me. But my son loves corn too much. What are the reasons? Reason number two, I love pop. That's reason number two. I love pop too much. Reason number three, I love veggies. I'm tired already. Oh, I am tired. Like crazy, crazy tired. I don't know if you're gonna see me, but I'm coming this side now. Yeah, this was left yesterday. I should have finished with this yesterday, but I couldn't finish because The seedlings were finished. Yep. My bag, Shem. Oh my god, guys, I disappeared. I saw that. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I am sorry. Guys, my back hurts. It hurts horribly. Oh my god. With Lily on my back, it's a bit difficult, Shem. I don't want to lie. It's a bit difficult. Lily should be down. My girl should be on the floor. On the floor, yeah. That's where she should be, Shem. On the floor, not on my back. Lily. On the floor. I'm over there. Lily, get down. Lily, get down. Get down, Lily, get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Not a chin. Yeah? Okay. No. My son has questions, guys. Millions of them. Mother, too many questions. That's that. No. You want my baby? My baby. This one is the way suddenly. Hello, no one could do the cannon from Anna, but in a major. It's a para. I said the passy. As only hey. Because one is the way suddenly. No, so one is unity. No, so one. I didn't think what I said the passy. I learned to do that. You know, no pangaman, you're not going to be. Oh, yeah. Maran home and in the country. So my son apparently he wants to help me out with this. Ne? And I'm telling him that it can't happen. He just literally stepped on my seedling. He stepped on it, and you know how difficult it is to do this task with a baby on my back. It's so difficult. And for my son to be stepping on my seedlings, pissed off I am. Pissed off. So we're moving. Hi. So Siamuva, you see? I'm going with you guys. Siamuva, we're going that side. This is the cattle. Is that right? Crawl. Catch a crawl. Or whatever you call it. So we're moving this side. We are coming this side to. This is where I'm starting everything. I'm starting here now. Yep, I'm starting here now. And Sham. Hi. Yan jia chipa chichangana kadiang. Ni bisa libere lang. Yeah, Lily needs to be put down somewhere, guys. Like, I need to put this baby down. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to work. I need to make a plan about this. Because now I need to, like, get down. And there are trees that I still need to cut down. Because you're doing good, man. You could do show me something. Do you want time better, too? So I want to use my son now. The perks of having kids. This one is just a load. You are adding load. When Ali. The only thing you know how to do better is to eat. This one knows how to eat. Right. No, they're coming in. Ah. Ha. God forbid. I don't think it's telling the truth. It doesn't or even of a phone. God forbid, God forbid. China ni anabani bwana niko chini. China. Dance. Dance. Dance, make that dance. Ooh, dance. Dance, Emmanuel. Ooh. Is that for the phone? Hi. So my son is gonna hold the phone while we. Oh, actually, I want to remove this bush, this whole area. We're gonna remove all this. I don't know how I'm gonna do it with Lily on my back. You know, babies, ne? They don't like it when you bend or whatever. Then far up. In my very good damn. Look, this child, Jesus. It's done in the phone. In the Tamani homes and my brother and my own and then phone. Only for almost on the street. Farah. You know, Sudan. Yes, Sudan. So, because it's done a guy. Then you can do my apa. Ini Sudan. Kiss. Gombana. 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 Sudan phone. Gombana. 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 Guys, you should see my son, the way he is like behaving. I don't want to laugh too hard. Apa sih? Zangu siku bana. Aku suka ni.
Kana rugu.
Ndiko ka zote. This is no. This is Tony, so I don't want to touch it with my hand.
Iya taba. Sudah. Natabiwa.
Anyway, phone iko pia Sudan again. Me.
Benar.
Yes. Lele wait. Hey, ini kok sedagay ngor phone ngo cha Sudan. Yo. Ay. Sudan ko tani yo. Yo.
Oho.
Sidhani nini? Hey, ni ngone pamshomo twa. Go, hamba. Ngisho dio. Hi. I had given my son a task, but tell you guys, he is feeling miserably. So what are we gonna do now? Ivan go wala mathe no ni chimala ta kulenge.
Nana.
Oh Jesus. Inain.
Nana. Hey.
Ah, tu ngoro no mala ta kulen ko mala ta ne patsini. Pasina. Ini lu kuda. Ini lu kuda ne. Kuda tu ne. I need to put the phone nicely now. I don't want a room. Ini lu kuda pampu. Eh. Oh Jesus. Kaya ma tangi chimba no do. What the hell? Mana nggak aku lu bangga pun phone yang nggak aku berapa mu. Lu sekolah kamu. Esin sama para ti, nami pando tago wasu ko baga. Ah, nana ni simba jano de diko farangor ni madele wa. Working in the field, working in the oh baby. Hey. And then it was for me. I told you. Yes. Ndio na yama disa somo kare.
Ayamika. Ana vitu vyote hapa. Natabiwa. Bati mangi kaya. Ndio
I can't work with shoes on. I don't know why. Like I really cannot. I made a mistake of having a brush. Ndi mufuro yo wakubuza. Akutodhura machechi lewa hapala. Ezvino kuita so. Unoita wakutodhichera danda kulanga. I wonder it's coming together, guys. Soon I'm gonna be finished and I'm gonna start painting. Look, the phone on the tripod because I know I am going fine. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. So I want to make sure that you see everything. You know, they have turned this into some sort of hobby. Let me zoom in a little bit. Oh yeah, that is much better. I'm gonna try taking this a little bit backwards. And the kids, to them, this is like time. It's that time to be naughty. I don't know who said it was a good idea, but yeah. To them, it's time, Shem. Yes, much better. Do you even see what they're doing? Do you see? Guys, what are you doing? Hmm? Alright, you can do that. Oh my goodness. Why does it look like my phone is one leg in the grave and and the other outside? Oh, yeah, now I want to do that side. A little bit of that side. Let's go. This one is gonna switch off, ne? I'm telling you in advance. But the word continues. Mushumo arime.